So this is Stolen Bikes 1000, and I'm going to be doing a bike check today. We'll start from the front and go to the back. In the front tire I got a stolen tioga. It feels pretty good. I've been riding it for 2 weeks. The rim I got's United VH3 laced to a I don't remember script. I got fit forks. I got ODI grips. Odyssey arron space bars raw. Frame I got is a fit aitken 1. I got a preimium knarstar sproket. Stock cranks, stock pedals, piece of shit chain, KMC, fit seats, heavy as hell. Fit 2.1 in the back. It's wearing down real fast. United VH3 front or rim in the back. Shout conspiracy little one, peg in the back. Eastern pop and lock, cub guard. Alright, so bike check. I'll have some more video up soon. Alright, peace.